Hey, kia ora, Helen Brahms here, live from Sun City in Arizona. Hope you're having a super fantastic, sparkling, shake it up Saturday. I just realized I didn't get my morning one in this morning. It's been a crazy day. How has your shake it up Saturday been? What have you done today to shake up your day? Oh my gosh, this whole household here that consists of Zeffie and I, we had our day shaken up a lot. Got up this morning and went to have a shower and suddenly realized, oh, I forgot to empty the tanks and fill up the water tank. So it's like, throw some clothes on, go walk Zeffie, come back, have breakfast, go empty the tanks, fill up the water tank, and then I was able to come in and have a shower and that. And by the time and then I had a couple of work things that I had to do, so I got them done as well. Then went and had the shower, got dressed and everything else. And then by that stage, I was already running late for the open home I was planning to go to. So I raced off to the open home. Well, drove sedately to the open home within the speed limit. Got there, got to meet Ashley in person for the first time, which was awesome. Got a hug today. Yay. And then she took me on a tour through the house and everything. They have done an incredible job on this house. The photos looked amazing, but to see it in real life, because then you could see the actual sizes and everything, was amazing. They have done an incredible job there. The backyard looks beautiful. And I said to her, this grass area here actually looks larger than it is in the photographs. And she's like, yeah. And so she's telling me about how it's 500 square feet, and they thought that 500 square feet was a lot more than what it actually ended up being. So I thought that's kind of interesting. So like, yeah, it doesn't look like a lot. And I'm like thinking, I live in 260 square feet. Okay, if that's 500 square feet of lawn, that's twice the size of my RV, almost. So before I left home, I got a text message from a very dear friend of mine that I hadn't spoken to in a very long time, and she said, "Oh, we need to talk. We need to catch up." And I'm like thinking, yeah, we do need to have a catch up. We haven't talked in ages. And so we set up a time. And she says, just let me know when you're free. So I said, what are you doing this weekend? And so we set up to talk at 1:00 that afternoon. So I thought, okay, got to get over the open home, got to get the mail, got to get back, and all done by 1:00. Got it. So get over to the open home, walking through there. We're standing there. Beautiful job of the place. It's gorgeous, good sized rooms and everything. Way too big for me. I'm like thinking, this is a lot of space. My poor dog would get lost. And she would, because she'd be throughout the house like, where are you? Where are you? She does that now. And we live in basically the same room. We've only got 2 rooms in this house. Well, actually, we've got 3. You got the living area with the driving area, then you got the bathroom, which has its own door, and then you got the bedroom. So I'm in one of 3 places, and she can very quickly find me. This place is just over 7 times larger than the space that we have here. So, yeah, she would get lost in there, but she would love the backyard. And so we're standing there talking, and then another person came in to have a look, and I looked at the time and thought, I got to get going. It's already just after 12, and I still have to drive to the mail place, knowing that it's a weekend. People are going to be busy shipping because it's December with the holidays coming up. I could be standing in line for a while. Am I going to, and I'm thinking, and it's a 20-minute drive from there to home, and I have to drive 10 minutes from here to there. So that's 30 minutes. So I've got up max of 30 minutes. I got like 20 minutes that I can do for the mail thing. So I get over to the mail place, get in there, pull out this huge pile of mail. They go get the packages from out back, and I had 3 labels, and they had 4 packages for me. Guess when I come in that morning, and they hadn't had a chance to enter it. But I seem to recall that no, because there was surprise pack. I only was expecting 1 package, 2 packages. I didn't get that one, and they said it was there. Or maybe that's what that is. Anyway, so I got all of that, got out to the car. I got home at 12:55, and I'm meant to be on a Zoom at 1:00. And so I bring the mail inside. It's still sitting in bags by the door. It hasn't made it past the door. Come and say hi to Zeffie, run to the bathroom, fill up my water bottle, sat down, get online, and within a minute, Bree is on, and we got off the Zoom call 10 minutes ago. I kid you not. We spoke for 4.5 hours, just over 4.5 hours on a Zoom call. I don't do Zoom calls that long unless it is at a meeting, a mastermind group, a conference, anything like that, not just one-on-one people talk. We covered all sorts of topics. Got to catch up with her. Had some revelations, which was really cool. Yes, I have notes over here. So yeah, it was just, yeah, I was just trying to remember what I'd written down. It was a very open and revealing call. It went like that. And I kind of look up and went, oh, it's getting dark. I got to go walk the dog. And we kept talking. So it was 10 minutes ago that we finally said, we have to go. And then I'm getting ready to take the dog out. I'm like, I haven't done my live today. I haven't done a live. And I've got to be online at 6 o'clock to do the evening live. And I've got to walk the dog. So here we are. This is the live for today. This is a one-shot day for a one-shot live day. So we won't be doing one at 6 o'clock because that's in 12 minutes. I got to go walk a dog. But what unexpected things and my day whenever I talk with Bree, it is amazing because she always shakes up my day. I've had some very tearful calls with her, but today it was very calm. It was very accepting of the stuff that she had to share with me and everything else. So it was a very, very good day. A lot of shake up, a lot of notes, and some big revelations. I'm like, you mean? And there was some stuff that she told me. I'm like, wait, hang on, run that past me again. You're telling me da 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 da. And she goes, yeah. And I'm like, huh. So we had some very interesting discussions today. It was awesome. I love this girl to death. She is an incredible human being, such a huge heart, and I can't talk enough about her. She is such a very dear friend, and I'm very privileged to know her. So this is the only call you are getting today. I apologize for that. I was planning on doing one this morning from the house, but we didn't get a lot of time to do that because I was running late because I had to take the dog for a walk, come back, and then take a shower and everything else, and it kind of like blew the schedule because I didn't get everything in as I wanted to. But I'd done everything according to what my plan was going to be, which whenever I make a plan, it never works out anyway because I always end up screwing up the time somehow. I am getting better at allocating the correct amount of time that I need for tasks. I actually sat here this morning and wrote out my to-do list, and I have 2 things crossed off. Actually, no, I can now cross off this one and this one and this one. So I have 5 things crossed off it. Yes, I have 5 things crossed off my list of about 15. So I'm a third of the way there. No movies tonight. But anyway, that's it from us for today. What did you do today? Shake up your day that kicked it out of the norm. It was a complete, it was an amazing day, just out of the norm. Not a normal Saturday for you. So what did you get up to today? Let us know in the comments below. We are out of here. Zeph's sort of like looking at me now going, we got to go. So we got to go. She needs to go. So we're going to go so she can go. Anyway, catch you guys later. Have a super fantastic, sparkling rest of your Shake It Up Saturday. And we'll catch you guys back here tomorrow morning for Serenity Sunday. It'll either be before the park or after the park. Before the dog park or after the dog park. Haven't decided yet. Depends what time we get to leave here. Anyway, have a super fantastic, sparkling evening. Hey, Konara.